Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, open Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, tap on the gray switcher next to Auto Brightness feature. As you can see, the switcher is green. That means that Auto Brightness is on. But you can always switch it off by clicking on the same switcher again. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu and tap on this little icon of a sun located next to brightness slider to disable or enable adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!